Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook Atlantic salmon in the oven. First, let's get ready for success by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature ensures a perfect cook. Next, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This makes cleanup incredibly easy. Then, gently pat your Atlantic salmon fillets completely dry with paper towels. This crucial step helps the skin crisp up beautifully and allows the seasonings to adhere properly, enhancing every bite. Now, let's infuse that salmon with amazing flavor. Generously season both sides of your Atlantic salmon fillets with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Don't be shy here. Proper seasoning makes all the difference. You can also add dried dill, paprika, or garlic powder for extra depth. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a few thin lemon slices placed directly on top will brighten the taste significantly. Finally, arrange your seasoned salmon skin side down on the parchment-lined baking sheet, ensuring they have enough space. It's time to cook your salmon to perfection. Carefully place the baking sheet with your seasoned salmon into the preheated oven. Bake for approximately 12 to 15 minutes. The exact cooking time will vary slightly depending on the thickness of your particular fillets. You'll know the salmon is perfectly cooked when it easily flakes apart with a fork in its thickest part. For precise doneness, an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit indicates it is ready to enjoy. Once your Atlantic salmon is beautifully cooked, remove the baking sheet from the oven. Resist the urge to dive in immediately. Allow the salmon to rest for about 5 minutes. This crucial resting period lets the juices redistribute evenly throughout the fish, ensuring every bite is incredibly moist and tender. Before serving, you can garnish it with some fresh chopped dill or parsley, and perhaps another small squeeze of fresh lemon. Enjoy your perfectly cooked Atlantic salmon, a healthy and delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.